Well, we had some more rain today throughout the area. First Alert Chief Meteorologist Bill Grahl joins us with a look at your forecast.
Yeah, luckily the persistent rain kind of tapered off early this morning, and then during the day just kind of hit and miss scattered activity, but plenty of dry hours today, which is exactly what we needed. Now, you didn't see a lot of rainfall over about the northern half of the viewing area, but south of Interstate 90 especially 1 to 2 inches, even localized 3 inches in parts of southeastern Minnesota, especially Fillmore, Houston, into parts of Vernon County as well. Highest totals were from Mason City down into eastern Iowa, 3 to 6 inches plus there. La Crosse, about 1/3 of an inch out at the airport, but over an inch on the far south end of town. Another little narrow band of higher totals from, say, northern Monroe County, southeastern Jackson County up through the Green Bay area as well. Now, some good news in some of the latest forecast model runs. Rain tracker kind of coming down on the expected rainfall amounts for tonight. Now, I don't want you to let your guard down, as there still could be locally higher amounts possible, especially if storms track over the same areas. But rain tracker showing generally less than an inch additional rainfall for most, maybe some higher totals in southern portions of the viewing area. Now, don't get too hung up on the exact numbers here. This is just one model run of one model, so a little bit different opinions in some of the other forecast models, but there is a better trend in terms of showing the storms maybe a little bit more progressive tonight, meaning they're going to move more than they did last night, where they just kind of trained over the same areas, and that's why we saw the higher totals. But with that said, flood watch still in place for most of the area through 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. So if your county is shaded in green there, you'll want to stay extra weather aware tonight. Keep an eye on that radar and be prepared to take action if any flash flood warnings are issued for your area. Radar fairly quiet right now, but we do have a little kind of line of weak showers, isolated thunder from north and west of Rochester through the Winona area, southern Buffalo and Trempealeau counties, southern Jackson County, northern Monroe County, and back towards, say, Juneau and Adams counties. And then another batch of showers and storms over far western Minnesota, a third batch over western Iowa. Now, exactly where those batches track overnight will be key in determining our heavy rainfall threat overnight. 84 was the high today, average is 84, and 0.42 inches of rain now out at the airport, still below average, so we could use a little bit more. You just don't want too much like they saw to the south and west. 83 degrees right now with a mostly cloudy sky, dew point still at 73, and temperatures in the 70s and 80s. And again, very humid day once again. Mid 70s in Eau Claire, 83 in La Crosse, 82 in Prairie du Chien. Dew points in the upper 60s to low to mid 70s. That puts us in that uncomfortable to oppressive range. And overnight, it's going to be another sticky night, but those dew points will finally start to come down as we head into tomorrow morning. And by tomorrow afternoon, it's going to feel much, much better. So Sky Tracker and the satellite radar imagery showing those two batches of rain that I'm going to keep a close eye on as the night progresses, as this area of low pressure kind of tracks east along this stalled out boundary. That's what could enhance the rain chances later this evening. Sky Tracker shows by 10 or 11 o'clock, we could see some storms, especially south of Interstate 90, some more storms west of Eau Claire. We could all be in some storms by, say, midnight to the 2, maybe 3 o'clock in the morning time frame. And then the good news, this starts to move east and out of the area by about 4 or 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. Then things are looking much, much drier. Decreasing clouds tomorrow afternoon. Heading into tomorrow night, early Tuesday, some valley fog, a good bet heading into Tuesday, and then lots of sunshine during the day for our Tuesday. So for tonight, muggy periods of showers and thunderstorms, still that locally heavy rainfall threat, so an alert night, if you will. 64 for the low. 78 tomorrow. Any showers would end early, otherwise decreasing clouds and less humid. It's going to feel a lot better tomorrow afternoon if you're not a fan of the heat and humidity. 83 on Tuesday, a little bit warmer Wednesday. And most of the work week will be dry. Just a small chance for a shower Wednesday night. Thursday and Friday looking pleasant, upper 70s to low 80s. And then those rain chances next Saturday, Sunday, and Monday are on the low end. Only about 2 in 10 chances right now, with fairly seasonable highs in the lower to middle 80s. So hopefully you have that First Alert weather app downloaded, because you may need it again for parts of the area tonight. But we'll keep you informed for sure.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Bill.
Okay.